Good morning, my good peoples. So it's a new day. We have another Infiniti in today, Q50 Redsport. So he's in here for 900 stars. He's got the custom flooring, very nice. And then once we get everything going, these stars are gonna look very nice, very nice. Alright guys, and just like that, we got the headliner out. Got Christian. Got the headliner all prepped up. Starting to put the layout. 180 dots on each section. So I'm about to set the time lapse on this and then doing more spread out, Christian. How you did it last time. Coming out. Fire. I already have it organized. Got the snake all lined up. So now it's about to be gluing and then snipping and then sunroof. So all done. Sunroof is done now. Got Sam. Yes, sir. It's clipping the top now. So we're about to be clipping this and it should be looking fire. I already got power down. So power is good. Boys, we're back. Connor, how was class?
Lame.
How was school?
I need to drop out.
Oh god.
No, I actually enjoyed the accounting class though. The accounting class was pretty interesting.
That's actually a good class.
I'm gonna use that for the business actually, so that makes sense. But environmental sustainability, what a worthless class, dude. No way I'm ever gonna go to class again.
But basically, we just finished clipping everything, as you guys just seen. It's looking pretty fucking fire, I can't even lie. Because it looks like a star, I can't even lie. But, other than that, it's ready.
And as you can see, he's got, how many stars? 900? 900 stars in here.
How's it looking, bro?
Hey, I love it. Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate it. Guys, it's a new day, and we're at the mall. And we're looks maxing and aura farming today, boys.
We are here for work, guys. We're getting uniforms.
And to build the ego, because the ego has not been built up in a couple months. I can't lie.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, my ego is so high right now. Like, this is the first time I've come to the mall and not been looking at girls, dude.
Dude, come on, bro. We got a mog.
Dude, I have everything I need now. Business, school, happy girlfriend.
You can still mog and be happy, though.
Dude, that is the mall. Being successful is the mall.
Bro, why, dude, this is so low income activities, though. Like, dude, look at this. So we're looking for polos, apparently. Polos. Oh, I think
we're looking for polos in the pillow section, guys. Because that makes sense.
For the couch. So...
Dude, is Ross, like, are these actual clothes or are these, like, donated clothes?
Bro, it's actual clothes. What the fuck?
Dude,
why would you say that?
Dude, this makes me think of what's that place that you, like, donate clothes to?
Goodwill?
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
Dude,
fuck no, this is brand new, bro.
Bro, we should just go to Goodwill then.
Dude, we should go thrifting. Oh, but we could find the crew hella drip, bro. So they don't have shit. Gotta go to Michael's then, bro, because Ross is kind of not the move. Connor said it's low income activities. Although we do not mean that.
I
But
remember when I had $0 in my account and we spent $100 on making uniforms. And now we're expected to spend like $250 on uniforms today.
and can't even find shit.
Dude, isn't that crazy? Like, when you don't have any money, you can find like all the things you want. But once you have the money to spend, you can't find the things to buy. That's how the Matrix attacks you, bro.
Yeah, it's a Matrix attacks, boys. What? We're about to be going to.
Adidas.
Bro, there's no way we're going to Adidas. You know how much that is?
That's the same.
Dude, we're better off going to like a clothing manufacturer. Oh, let's go there, let's go there. So, guys, we're about to be near Phoenix.
Dude, that's crazy. People are actually in school.
Fuck yeah, people are in school right now, bro.
Do you know the code?
No, you have to bring it in. They don't give you a code. So she's like watching at the moment.
Do you think you're a student? Do you think you could pass as a student?
Well, guys, walking out the mall now. Didn't get shit. It's up to Cinnabon. So,
Smart financial decisions, guys.
we're probably about to go to Walmart and Kohl's though. Kohl's should have some shit. Walmart should have some shit. Hopefully.
Caution new driver. You know that's a baddie for you. Dude, look at the side of her car.
Dude, that might be them right there. Okay, guys, so we found some fucking polos out here in Walmart. Pretty fire. So we got 4, 1 for us each. For the team EO,
Yeah, and you and me already have one, right?
we do have one.
So if I get one more, then you and me would have 2. I want to try to get 4 hoodies.
Daily Walmart activities. Guys, I've been to this Walmart like fucking 4 times this week already. Each day I come here. I was here yesterday. Oh, yeah, 400 GSM. I don't even feel that, though. Yeah, that feels good. Fire, guys. Getting the hoodies now.
I'll get this one.
Fire hoodies. Perfect, perfect.